.get_dummies to convert the columns sex and embarked to categorical. Converting the categorical variables into dummy/indicator variables, we get the following data frame. We also need to find out if variables are correlated. Let's utilize the heat map to do this. Notice that there is a strong correlation among survived and sex_female variables. Now let us build a classifier which can predict survival, creating train and test datasets using X and Y variables. Creating the independent variable X. Creating the dependent variable Y. Splitting the dataset as train and test. Checking the shape of test and train datasets. Instantiate and train the classifier using the code on the screen. Applying logistic regression to X-train and Y-train. Storing the prediction given by the classifier in the Y_pred variable. Compute the confusion matrix to evaluate the accuracy of classification. Let's interpret these results. Out of the 161 actual instances of not survived, the classifier predicted correctly 143 of them. Out of the 106 actual instances of survived, the classifier predicted correctly 83 of them, using the function metrics.accuracy_score to obtain accuracy. Thus, our algorithm has an accuracy of 85%. That is, for every 100 passengers it classified, 85 were correctly classified as survived or not survived. We can also compute other performance measures from the confusion matrix. The algorithm has good precision and recall scores. The coefficient and the intercept of the predicted line can be computed using the code on the screen. We can further check our algorithm's predicted probabilities using the X_test values. The first column is the probability that the entry has not survived label, and the second column is the probability that the entry has the survived label. Let's quickly recap the steps we covered. We started with a data exploration, performed missing data check, and learned which features are important. We converted categorical features into numeric ones. Finally, we built a classifier to predict survival. We also evaluated the model performance using the classification report.
To the end of supervised learning. You are now able to list the different types of supervised learning, describe various regression algorithms, explain advanced regularization techniques,